video. Today we are going to learn numbers from 30 to 100. I hope in my older videos you must have revised 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. For learning further, it is very important that you know 1 to 20 very well. Once we can start revising orally 1 to 20. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. To revise once again, you can always view my older videos. For today, let's begin from 30. 30 in French is known as 30. Once again, 30. 31 would be 31, 31. 32, 32, 32. 33, 33, 33. 34, 34, 34. 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39. Okay, let's begin from 31 to 39. So then we begin with 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now 40 is known as 40. Say again, 40. Once again, 40. I give you 2 minutes to go through the board and revise for yourself and repeat again from 30 to 40. I hope you must have revised to 40. The number 40. Yes, let's begin. 40 is known as 40. Say again, 40. 41 is known as 41. 41. 42. 42. 43. 43. 44. 44. 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, and lastly number 50 is known as 50. So we know number 5, that is 5. So number 50 is 50. Say again, 50. I give you 2 minutes to read from 40 to 50. Once that is revised, we continue further. Let's continue. 50 is known as 50. Once again, 50. 51 is the same way we do the others. We say 51. 51. Then next we have 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and lastly we have 60. Once again, 60. For the number 60, we have a new word which is known as soixante. Again, soixante. I give you 2 minutes to read the table and revise. Then we continue further. Let's continue with 60. I hope till 59 was easy for you to learn. Okay, let's begin with 60. 60 is known as soixante. Once again, soixante. 61 is soixante-un. Soixante-un. 62, it is soixante-deux. Soixante-deux. 63. 63. 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, it is going to be soixante-dix. Soixante-dix. Now why is it so? Because for 70 they do not have a new number. So they do is 60 plus 10. So it is soixante-dix. Once again, soixante-dix. I'll give you 2 minutes to read the table and then we continue. I hope it was easy till 69. So now we know what is 70. So it is soixante-dix. What we did was 60 plus 10. That is soixante-dix. Now we continue further. We say soixante-onze. All we are going to do over here is going to be 60 plus 11, 12, 13, 14 and just go on with that. We say soixante-onze. Again, soixante-onze. Soixante-douze, soixante-douze, soixante-treize, soixante-treize, soixante-quatorze, soixante-quatorze, soixante-quinze, soixante-quinze, soixante-seize, soixante-seize, soixante-dix-sept, soixante-dix-sept, soixante-dix-huit, soixante-dix-huit, soixante-dix-neuf, soixante-dix-neuf, and the last one we say 80. 80. I'll give you 5 minutes to read the table. The last that we learned was the number 80, which is 80. So the 80 has an S to show that now we are doing 4 into 20. So that is 80. Now later when we start with 81, we say 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, and lastly for 90 we say 90. So all we did over here was we used the number 80, which is 80, and then we started adding 1, 2, 3, 4 and like that. For 90 we say 90. So by maths what we are doing here is 4 into 20 plus 10. I give you a minute to read through by yourself, and if any doubts you can leave it on my YouTube channel for me to solve it for you. So we just finished till 90. So we go further. 90. So 90, that is 90. When we start with 91, again we need to adapt the 11, 12, 13, 14. So that when we do 80 plus 11, that gives you 91. Let's begin. So we say 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93. We say 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96. Then we say 97, 97, 98. We say 98. We say 99, 99. And the 100 is a really small number and a really easy number. We just say stop. Again, stop. So when you do the 91 to 100, just remember that we need to write down 11, 12, 13, 14 and not 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you have understood the whole chapter of numbers. If you have any doubts, you can leave on the comments below for me to solve it for you and help you out with French. Thank you.